Hello friends, today we discuss about cell structure and functions. So what is cell? Cell is a functional basic unit of life. It was discovered by Robert Hooke and is the functional unit of all known living organisms. It is the smallest unit of life that is classified as a living thing and is often called the building block of life. So what we conclude regarding this first slide. So cell is very structural and functional unit of life, and it is responsible for making up tissues, and tissues makes an organ system, and organ system makes an complete structure of the body. So unicellular and multicellular organisms such as most bacteria are unicellular, consisting of a single cell, and other organisms such as humans are multicellular. It is very surprising that humans have about 100 trillion cells in its body. So discovery of cell, the description regarding this term is that the descriptive term for the smallest living biological structure was coined by Robert Hooke in a book he published in 1665. He when compared the cork cells he saw through his microscope to the small rooms monks lived in. So Hooks is one of the very first scientists who seen the cell as the smallest living biological structure. Cork cell, also known as the phloem, are a type of plant cell that form the protective outer layer of bark in trees. So types of the cells. Basically there are two types of the cells, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Okay, so for example, these prokaryotic cells is nothing but bacteria and blue green algae, whereas the eukaryotic cells examples are plant and animal cell. In this structure you can see the structure of eukaryotic cell having all the cell membrane, Golgi apparatus and all, and these prokaryotic cells doesn't have these all kinds of the nucleus and all. Okay, so you will see the difference to the next slide. So prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, type of the cell. Okay, cell size in the prokaryotic cell is ranges from 0.2 micrometer to the 2 micrometer in diameter, vice versa. In the eukaryotic, the size ranges from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in diameter. Cell wall, prokaryotic usually present chemically complex in nature, while in eukaryotics it is present chemically simple in nature. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay, instead they have a nucleotide region in the cell. In eukaryotic, nucleus is present. Ribosomes present smaller in size and spherical in shape, present comparatively larger in size and linear in shape. So these are the basic type of the cell is there, which is having the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So you can say that your eukaryotic cell has an wide range of functions as compared to the prokaryotic cell, because you will see the nucleus is having a very major functions regarding storing the nucleotide, and it is also an assisting while formation of your basic proteins with the help of an ribosomes.